aka choreographer, teacher, dancer, makeup extraordinaire, wine expert, liqueur expert, aeropostale Shopee. I can't cook, but I'm about to make a little of shrimp and chicken Alfredo. And today I'm bringing you guys something new. So, anyway, you guys, let's open up my drink. Today's video is sponsored by none other than Briss iced tea with lemon. Use my discount code. You'll still be thirsty after you drink this, but it's good. For 10% off. Put that down here. Oh.
Who's that? Who is it?
Who is it?
Who is it? Who is it?
Who is it?
Also, you guys, another sponsor for today is the Equate brand of lotion. This is the Stress Relief Moisturizing Lotion. It's alright. I don't want to have gray ashy hands while I'm presenting this to y'all. But as you can see, I got a package right here. Yeah. My tax return didn't come. And the hospital bill took most of that when I had my my C-section.
Who is it?
So they took most of my money. But anyway, though, back again. I have a package, and today we're going to do an unboxing and a slight demo. Maybe, possibly, I don't even know. Stay tuned. Boom. First things first, let's open up this box. Cut it open, cut it open, cut it open. So this right here was actually delivered today, this morning. If you guys really know me, like really know me, which not many people do, y'all, I am a tech expert. Like as far as like cell phones, like camera, well, as far as like cell phones, like headphones, speakers, TV, like I'm a tech expert. So it's kind of like when, as you guys know, I'm Samsung. I'm a Samsung-like person. So when iPhone users try to argue with me, it's kind of like, sit down, please, because when they released the new iPhone, when iPhone had their unboxing event, their unveiling event, I watched the whole 2-hour thing. So I saw the iPad, the AirPods, I saw all of that. You didn't. I knew like the new iPhone before you knew it was coming, okay? Same thing with Samsung. Like when Samsung released products, like I know about it months in advance because I'm just that type of person that I get all the news updates. I literally sat in class with my kids and we watch, you know, the 2-hour unboxing event. Like that stuff I do. So I watch reviews because that's just me. So basically, I wanted this for the longest time. Didn't really have a chance to get it because I was like, I don't want to pay that much for it. You know, blah, blah, blah. I feel like T-Mobile was overcharging. They wasn't. But I finally just took a chance and ordered it, thinking I was going to get me a refund. But as you know, I don't have a refund. But God has always kept me. He's not back to stop keeping me now, sweetie.
Just shake hands with 3 people. Tell them it's your morning. It's your morning.
So let's see what's in this bad boy. Ooh. Packing. I know you lying. Boom! Ta-da! This right here is the Samsung Galaxy Active Watch 2. Boom, boom! 2! Boom, boom! So, Apple Watch, eat your heart. You know what? Let me stop because I don't need any of my subscribers that are Apple users, which is all of them, to really stop supporting me because I really don't have a problem with Apple. You know, Apple was talking about me at the beginning. Like, me and Apple, we never seen eye to eye, but like, I was like, you know what? We are cordial. But Apple always come out their mouth slick to me when literally like, I have nothing bad to say about them, you know? So, don't even get to understand like that, but they don't like me. It's not like I don't like them, so we're not beefing, sweetie. They just hating, okay? Samsung, the Samsung Galaxy Watch Classic. This is the Classic 2, okay? This watch came out a few years ago, okay? They had one that came out after this, and then this right here came out in 2019. So yes, I'm a little late, but I want to see, is it worth having in 2020? This was the first one. I like that whole classic feel of a circle watch. I actually changed the band 3 times. This right here has the rotating bezel right there. And let's open a new one. Yeah. Ooh. This right here is the LTE standalone version, so meaning it has its own separate number. I can connect it through Bluetooth, but let's say I leave my phone, or let's say like I meet a little cute little person at the club, don't want to give them my room because I don't know if they're crazy or not. I'll give them my watch number. Has an advanced auto fitness tracker and running coach and a heart and health monitor. This right here actually ran me $444. Coins for the girls. Let's take back out the knife. Was anybody else scared for me in the comments? Because you know, I'm ready to be home with my Lord. There we go. Just a little nah nasty for your girls. I like them nasty. Okay. Oh my goodness. Look, y'all. Let's see what they got for the girls. This is I don't know, I guess it's just some type of material. And here is the beauty. They got it wrapped up. Just a little simple watch. They do this right here is the 44mm one. I mean the 40mm one, so it's much like a smaller watch head. There. Yeah, so you have your watch head right there. All your sensors and stuff on the back. And next we have, yes, over here you have your watch band. Some nasty. So this is the watch band. Because I got the stainless steel one. I got a leather black band for it. Cute. Is this like the long one? I don't know. Let's see. Any more coming there? Nah. What is next? I guess we have the power source, which looks like it. Oh, okay. Maybe. Yes. Voila. Okay, magnetize me, Captain. So this right here is what you will plug into. Wow, so I don't get a wall jack. Wow, how y'all figure I had one, sweetie? So I guess I gotta use another charger to plug this bad boy into. And as you know, this right here will sit directly on here. Oh, man, hanging on my wall, but that's that right there. I guess these right here is just paper information. Stuff that a baddie like me will not need or may need. You never know. Quick starter guide. You know, nothing much. Stuff I already know. Samsung Health. Patrick calling. Oh, let me cover his number. So y'all trying to call him. Find my phone. Find my device. You know, Ooh, that's a pretty pink color. So let's power this bad boy up. I think the packaging is super dope if you ask me. Do y'all see how they had everything packaged? Yeah, that is just gorgeous. And then it just kind of slid in this box right here. Come through, Samsung. Let them know what it is, sweetie, Miss Stang. Okay, yeah. So now let's connect these bands real quick. Oh. Cute. Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2. Y'all see the bust downs? DM me for my nail tech. He'll get you right. I don't know how this works. I think this band right here goes on the bottom. Samsung, please, Lamborghini keys. I ain't asked you to detect that. Wow. Pause. Let me do. Okay, and we back. So let's see. I guess I'll hit that button right there. Let's go. Wow, to get started, I have to connect it first. Well, yeah, so this right here is a pretty decent watch as of right now. Like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and wear it and do like a little slight review from a baddie like me. And yeah, I'll be back to you guys soon.